Okay guys, quick update lang tayo dito sa price action nitong si BTC as well as Ethereum guys, no. So right now, ito yung structure ni Ethereum sa daily. It's multiple touches, pang-apat na ito. Ang daming beses na. So in my own opinion, medyo marupok na ito. So we'll see. Check natin yung price action nitong si Ethereum. Recent update dito. Kasalukuyang sitwasyon dahil merong SEC advisory. Ayan. So papayawan lang natin to. Tapos yung recent update dito sa 401k, no? Ito yung retirement plans to invest in private equity and crypto. Pag-usapan natin yan guys dito sa video natin today, as well as yung na-mention natin ito, kasi dami nagtatanong ano yung opinion ko. So yeah, let's discuss this one. So bago tayo dito guys magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So merong SEC advisory for the 10 unregistered, no, crypto exchanges. Ito guys, pag pumasok kayo ng crypto, dapat alam nyo yung pinaka-risk. Mapapansin nyo naman yan sa ating YouTube channel. And I always keep mentioning yung pinaka-risk and reward, no, para mas magkaroon kayo ng informed decisions. Again, yung video natin is more of like a community feedbacks. We just answer yung questions from the community. And kung meron bang mga like confusion, I'll share my experience lang, as well as share my insights lang dito, opinion ko lang guys, no. So again, ito na-mention ng SEC dito yung mga risk, no. Ayan, like this one, dapat alam nyo ito pag nasa crypto space kayo, like yung mga unregistered crypto exchange nga, no. So naka-block na ata ito. Dami nagtatanong paano i-access ano yung alternative, pero again, kahit pa paano sa end ko naman is accessible pa naman. And hindi ko pwedeng hindi i-access to kasi dito ako nagko-cross validate sa TradingView, no. We've been doing this trading for almost a decade na. So it's essential for me na makita yung pinaka TradingView as well as yung chart ng isang token na napili ko dito, no, or yung gusto kong i-cross validate yung price action dito sa chart, no. Kasi meron siyang TradingView, tapos yung depth, makikita mo yung sell and yung bid and ask dito guys, no. Ayan, so makikita natin. Ayun, it depends ito guys sa inyo na user. And in my own opinion, ay dapat alam niyo yung pinaka-risk guys, no. So being a user, kailangan ma-determine mo dyan yung pinaka-risk and reward. It's better as well na merong regulation, pero hindi dapat confused, no, kasi naka-block sa website, pero I think sa application na open as per community. Yun, we'll see dito, but other alternatives, merong mga option naman na pwede nyong i-access, no. So ang daming mga bigay ng opinion naman sa Facebook. I just repost lang naman since naka-public naman yung details na yun. So yun, pag-uusapan natin guys yung recent update, no. That's why yung mga high market cap umakyat, no. So Trump opens door for 401k. Ito yung retirement plans para mag-allocate sa crypto, private equity nga. So ito, kagabi lang to, no. And they mentioned dito na millions of Americans saving for retirement through 401k accounts could have option putting their money in higher risk private equity, no. Isa sa mga risk asset yung Bitcoin dahil sobrang volatile market ito. Pero in terms of like long term naman, we can see trajectory, no. Again guys, it's my own opinion, experience lang dito, sharing lang. Does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. So we get some insights lang dito. We have disclaimer dyan sa baba, no. So merong ginawang executive order na sinign na ito no, Thursday nga ni Trump, that could give those financial players long sought access to a pool of funds worth trillions, no. Ayan, ito sa White House pa ito galing. Siguro lalagay ko na lang yung mga official links sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. Regarding this one, we should respect pa din ng SEC. In my own opinion, or as per observation, they just into user protections naman. Ayan. If it depends pa rin kung paano nyo i-treat yung advisory na yun, no? So for now, kung nakakasunod kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel, meron tayong update 4 months ago. Ito, trajectory ng price action kay Bitcoin. Ayan, makikita natin dito na yung presyo niya nasa 86k pa lang, no? Ayan, no? And then, nagkaroon ng bear traps. Ayan, it's part of my analysis lang naman dito. And then, after that, the price moves sa upside, no? Right now, yung price action ni BTC ay nasa 117k, no? For Ethereum naman, guys, as per checking dito, ayan, nagkaroon siya dito, guys, ng retest, no? I think, if I'm not mistaken, dami ng retest actually. If we zoom out sa weekly, pang-apat na retest na ito, no? Itong retest na ito. So, mga gantong scenario, malambot na tong zone na to. So, if ever na magkaroon ng breakout dito, pwede pang magkaroon ng retest doon sa previous size, no? So, yung previous size ng Ethereum ay nasa 4.8. Yan, itong zone na ito. I'm checking naman dito sa end ko if ever na tamaan niya yung price action niya na yan. And, good thing if ever na mabasag to, no? Kasi naging meme na stable coin itong si Ethereum back then, dahil ang tagal na hindi karoon ng pag-akyat ng presyo. We'll wait, no? We'll see if ever na magkaroon ng breakout dito kay Ethereum. So, yun, I'm just share some updates lang dito, as well as hopefully na answer ko yung questions ninyo. If hindi man clear, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.